In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the fuel filler neck on your Ford Explorer. It's located in the driver's side rear quarter, going underneath your vehicle. You want to go ahead and open up your fuel filler cap to access the 3 screws. Go ahead and remove your fuel filler cap. Drop that down to the side. We want to go ahead and use our 10mm socket to remove this bolt. Next, we're going to use our 7mm socket. We're going to go ahead and remove this screw here and this one up here at a position about 2 o'clock. This lower one is holding your fuel filler cap, so you can remove that all together with the screw. Using our 10mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove this screw right here for our support bracket. Now on the back side here, we have 2 hose clamps for the lines here. There's a main line here and a vapor port on the back. I'm going to go ahead and loosen these hose clamps. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a pair of pliers here to go ahead. I'm going to try and loosen this filler neck here, this hose, break that free, and try and do the same to the one in the back. Now when removing these here, you want to inspect your hoses, make sure everything is in good condition, as well as the clamps. Our clamps are rusty. We are going to replace those before we install our new component. I'm going to go ahead and slide our new clamps into position. Now I put a super thin coat of grease on those tubes there just to help these slide in a little bit easier. I'm going to try and put them on together. And go ahead and push this back up into position. Now that we have our filler neck up, we want to go ahead and line that up into the body. Position those hoses. Before we secure these here, we're going to go ahead up top and secure those 3 screws. Get that screw starter with that strap on there. Then we want to go ahead and get the other one lined up over here on the right side. I'm going to go ahead and snug these down. Install your filler cap. And once you have your cap on, go ahead and close that door. Let's go ahead and tighten down our hose clamps. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.